Good morning, children. I am Sumana Dikshit, your science teacher, and today I will teach you chapter 5, Adaptations in Animals. To adapt means to adjust to the condition around one. A child who joins a new school needs to adapt to his or her new surroundings, classmates, etc. Similarly, living beings adapt to their surroundings to make the best use of them or to live in the best way possible. The features or characteristics and behaviors that help a living being fit in well with its surroundings are called adaptations. Remember, though, that when we speak of adaptations in living beings, we mean features that developed or grew a long time ago. So long ago that now they are a part of the living being. For example, the fins of a fish or the feathers of a bird. Adaptations related to habitat. The habitat of a living being is the place where it lives naturally. For example, the habitat of tiger is a forest. In this chapter, we will talk about adaptations in animals. Now, animals that live in water or water animals, you can also say aquatic animals. Fishes have many adaptations that help them live in water. Their gills help them take in oxygen from water. Fishes take in water through their mouth and push it out through their gills. As the water flows over the gills, oxygen is absorbed and carbon dioxide passes out. The body of fish is covered with slippery scales, which helps them move smoothly through water. They have fins and tail that help them move forward, change direction, and steady themselves while swimming. Fishes have a pouch-like organ filled with air that helps them float in water. This organ is called a swim bladder. Some animals that live in water, such as whales, dolphins, seals, walruses, and turtles, need to breathe air. Whales and dolphins have a blowhole at the top of the head, while seals and walruses have nostrils on their noses. Turtles breathe through nares or nostrils. They are all able to hold their breath and shut their nostrils, blowholes or nares tight while diving under water. They have flippers, that means broad, flat limbs, which help them to swim. Birds that spend a lot of time in water, for example, penguins, gulls, ducks, swans, and geese have webbed feet to help them swim. The webs or skin between their toes help them push against water. The wings of penguins are not meant for flying, but for use as flippers while swimming. Water birds also have waterproof feathers that protect them from getting wet and catching a chill. When these birds dive into water to look for food, they can hold their breath for a long time. Animals that live in deserts. A desert is a place that gets very little rain. Hence, deserts are generally rocky and sandy with very few plants and animals. Deserts can be hot or cold. But we will talk about adaptations in animals that live in hot deserts. The best example of such an animal is the camel. Long lashes protect the camel's eyes from blowing sand. An inner lining of hair protects its ears from sand. A camel can close its nostrils to keep out the sand. Thick lips help a camel munch thorny plants that grow in deserts. A camel has thick fur to protect it from the heat and cold. A camel can drink a lot of water at one go. Long legs keep it high above the hot sand. A camel's feet are wide, so its legs do not sink into the sand. A camel does not lose much water in the form of urine and sweat. A camel can go without food for days. Its hump has stored fat, which it uses when it does not get food. Thank you, children. Have a good day.